Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Privacy section. So sorry, misclick. Then click on Privacy next to Permissions at the top on the right and select App Lock. Following that, after tapping on Got It, select this gray switcher next to App Lock feature. If you don't have privacy password, you need to set it up to use App Lock. In order to do that from here, tap on Settings. Then tap on Use a different password type and select the best login method for your apps. 4 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. I will go with pattern. Then you need to create your login method and repeat it in order to confirm it. Now remember to set up your recovery email and tap on Confirm in the pop-up, just in case. Following that, answer this security question, or if you don't like it, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, tap on the question again. But this time select Custom Question at the bottom and create your own. Select Confirm and remember to answer the question correctly below. Last but not least, select this check mark at the top right corner to access App Lock and click on the switchers next to all of your apps that you wish to lock. I will go with Chrome. So when I go back and try to access Chrome app, icons that pattern is now required. If you wish to, you can always disable app lock from chosen app by going into the same settings, entering your privacy password, and clicking on the same No Blue switcher next to your app. If you wish to disable app lock completely, tap on this blue switcher next to it. And as you can see after that, it's disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!